In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear glass lift support on your Jeep Wrangler, located on the back glass. I'm going to start by taking your new lift support. Make sure that the end cap here is threaded all the way on and fully seated. Now we can go ahead and start working on removing the original component. Now on each end, there are going to be metal clips. There are a horseshoe clip around the bottom as well as one on the top. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver, and you're going to go in here right behind this metal clip. Now you're going to hold the glass with one hand, pull out on this clip, separate that from the ball stud right here. Now you can see, just without that support of that extra unit here, the glass will fall down. So it's always good to have an extra set of hands to help you with this. Pop that off. Take the new component that has the clip already on there, press that on, and it automatically locks onto that ball. Let's go ahead and do the same to the bottom. You can go ahead and line this up. Just push that on. You can release the glass. Now that you have the bottom clipped on, we're both clipped on the bottom as well as the top. Go ahead and repeat for the passenger side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.